Good day guys, good morning, yung adlaw sa tanan. I'm Aaron Joseph Casera. I'm from Ilagloan, Surgeon Lady. And my favorite sport is basketball. My hobbies playing games like Mobile Legend, OP, Call of Call of Duty. Well, and I'm here today to face on my instructor to introduce myself and what is my goal in life. My goal in life is to become a good and successful electrician. And this semester, the most drastic high impact improvement I want to apply in myself that would make this complete task and a learning proactive that my instructor has given hands-on of application of electrical learnings that I have to learn sa mga dapat ihatag sa among dapat na mo ma-learn tanan na tun-an mo da tun-an sa apply sa real life to become a good electrician. This semester I will enhance my skill, knowledge, and just take time for an improvement for myself to become a good learner. Because every electrician work their hands to familiarize yourself with tools, machine, and anyone that can protect ourselves from hazards and accident that may cause happen when an actual wirings and works. PPE is most important of all because an actual electrician can work faster and safer because of personal protective equipment that they have. And question number 3 is, what is the most important subject this semester for achieving my goals? Para now, so now based on the initial requirements for becoming a qualified successful electrician in life, the most important subject is electrical safety protocols and regulation. And electrical safety protocols and regulation have their 10 electrical safety tips and rules. Number 1 is keep electrical equipment away from water. And number 2 rules, unplug equipment safely para safe ta permi guys. Number 3, install properly and TD electrical cords. Number 4, familiarize yourself with switchboards. Number 5, look out for electrical lines. Number 6, childproof your outlets. And number 7, investigate flickering lights. The 10 electrical rules are safety standards are set of guidelines and regulations designed to ensure unsafe installation, operation, and maintenance of electrical system and equipment. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Love you all.